Here is my AI chat application which works with Ollama. And let me put my Ollama URI which is running on my laptop and which is privately accessible from my local network. And let's start the chat. Once I click on this button, and here is the most simplistic UI. We can again change the URI of our Ollama. Then we have a drop down where we can change our LLM model. In my case, I have installed only two models, which is Gemma 3 and Llama 3.2. So for example, let's start with maybe Llama 3.2. Now it is selected and let us start chatting something, maybe quick JavaScript code to add a class. Then let's click on send button. Depending on your Ollama and GPU speed, the response times might vary, and we have got a response. It can also display the code block. If you double tap on this code block, it is copied and I can paste it anywhere. So for example, if I paste here, so I can paste the entire code which I got from my bot response. And it is also context aware. And let me ask a follow-up question. Maybe remove class, just this, and click on send. And here we go. We got the response. Meanwhile, we can change the model from the top and we can continue our chat. Now I have selected Gemma 3 and the 1 billion model, and let's do something else. JavaScript if else, something like that. And depending on the model, the response time may vary also. And here we go. We got a quite long answer from Gemma. And it has nice bullet points, numbering, everything, even the code block. And let's now learn how we build it. And here, as you see, this is the GitHub open source repository which I've created. It starts with an introduction and a schematic diagram, how it works. Then we have also quick start guide. And you can download this APK from this release. So if you click on this releases, and let's go to releases, this is the APK which I'm using right now. You can download it and install on your Android phone. You can even run the Python program which I'm going to demonstrate to you. And if you want to build your Android app, here are the steps which I have documented, and it's really straightforward. All you have to install all the Linux dependencies. Then you need to clone our repository, then install all the Python modules and simply run Bulldozer Android debug. This Bulldozer tool will convert your Python program to your APK file, and let's see that in action. I have already cloned this repository and the link will be in the description. Let's go to Kivy folder and let's use python main.py. It will open the UI and here we go. You can maximize it or anything like that. And if we do not specify the URL of our Ollama, by default, it will listen to localhost and the default port, which is 11434. Let's click on start chat without entering anything. And as you see, it is using Ollama and the font is really small. I understand that. I'll zoom a bit and let's ask something. Maybe why sky is blue, something like that. And let me enable the zoom. And here is our answer. So if I zoom a bit, it looks something like this. And that is it. We are directly running the Python application. We can close it now. And if you want to build your Android application, all you need to do, run this command. Bulldozer Android debug. Paste it. It is going to take some time, and for the first time it may take a good amount of time to download all the necessary dependencies. And meanwhile, let's uninstall our app on our Android phone and let's reinstall it. Uninstall, okay. And I've already downloaded the APK from this releases from GitHub. If I go to my file browser and wherever I have downloaded it, this is my APK. Let's now install it. Click on install, and maybe you are getting this security warning. I'll do without a scan. Let's go with that. Put my fingerprint and it is installed. Let's click on open. Now the app is loading. I need to paste the Ollama URI of my laptop or wherever it is running. Hold and paste. Click on start chat. And by default, it is selecting the Gemma, which is alphabetically coming first. Let's change maybe Llama. Maybe what is a server? Any question, whatever you want to ask to your LLM model, wait for the response. And here you go. I've got the response and it looks really nice. And I really understand this app is at very beginning and many more modifications and upgrades can be done. I have created it under MIT license. You can fork it or clone it or do it or upgrade it, whatever you like. Thanks for watching this video. See you in some next amazing topics.